This series is about how I designed and built this canoe. It is one of the easiest boats I have ever built. The design is based on my Gen 12 and I've been improving on it. This canoe is very simple to assemble. One reason is it is a canoe and I don't have to design a footrest. Also, a canoe has less restriction on the height of the paddler. However, the main reason is I used the interlocking assembly approach to facilitate the assembly. In this video, I'm going to give you more details how this works. The wall of the bow is folded into 3 triangular shapes. 1, 2, and 3, which create a stronger wall for the bow. It also provides extra longitudinal strength at the bow. And the U-shaped cross beam basically fixes the width of the canoe. Once I tighten the lashing at the end, the side will be pushed towards the center. And this also prevents the U-beam from popping forward. So everything's locked in place. The middle seat defines the width at the center, and the top of the gunwale is locking the seat in place. Subsequently, the seat is locking the floor in place. So this design basically using 2 lashings and secured the whole canoe. Here I use dimensionings to illustrate how the middle part is being locked together. The width of the canoe is 30 inches at the bottom, and it is getting narrower towards the top. And the gunwale is an important element to prevent the seat from popping up. I will illustrate how to use Coroplast to create a rounded gunwale in my next video. For the peace of my mind, I will add 1 more lashing for my first water test of the canoe. Again, thanks for your support and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't done so, please do, so you will be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.